Today we're going to create a delicious recipe with all the things I found in my fridge. We have arugula, some zucchini, dates, 1 glass of water, kohlrabi, red bell pepper and Romanesco broccoli. It looks truly gorgeous, doesn't it? I love it. So let's get started right away. First we're going to pour some water into our blender. Then we're going to slice some zucchinis. Blend it up. Now I'm going to add some arugula to our mixture. And the last 2 ingredients are a little bit of leek and 6 dates. I'm going to put them into my mixer right now. Wow. It's so sweet. If you like it sweet, then you can put 8 or 10 dates into your sauce, but I only put 6 dates inside this time. Now I'm going to have my dinner and I hope you're going to do the same. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share and spread the great news. Take care and keep rocking everyone. Love you. Mwah.